All right, well, hope for a better country, but not as part of the United Kingdom. There's a strong sense of national identity in Wales, which has helped fuel calls for it to achieve independence, following similar calls further north in Scotland. Mazarti's Laura Emmett reports the debate continues to rage over whether Welsh ambitions are driven by economic sense or emotion.
Welcome to Wales, part of the UK and a proud nation with its own language and customs, and the latest voice to call for independence. Plaid Cymru, which means the Party of Wales, has always argued the country could be better off without the UK, and it seems increasing numbers are starting to see their point of view.
Our economy has been run from London with the interests and priorities of the southeast of England to the fore. And independent Wales, of course, will be able to chart a different course based on our needs and our priorities.
Wales is a long way from declaring independence, but it's no longer just a pipe dream. People here voted overwhelmingly earlier this year in favour of handing the Welsh Assembly full lawmaking powers. That was considered a turning point in Welsh nationhood. And Plaid Cymru, the Party of Wales, have undoubtedly taken heart from the surprise victory of the Scottish National Party. That victory in May gave the SNP an outright majority in the Scottish Parliament, which has many powers devolved from Westminster. The party's promised to hold a Scotland-wide referendum on whether to declare independence. According to Plaid Cymru, that marks the turning of the tide for a unified UK.
People now, I believe, are beginning to use the word independence in a Welsh context, which they wouldn't have done a few years ago. And as that debate develops, I think that people in Wales are going to see that when Scotland becomes independent, the next logical step is for Wales to become independent too.
Of course, separatism is nothing new to the British Isles, and the thousands of victims of the Troubles in Northern Ireland are testament to how high feelings can run, both in the present day and for centuries past. While national sentiment may not be a new phenomenon, the reasons for it have changed over the years, and in these current turbulent economic times, money talks. Scotland has oil and gas, but while Wales was a proud coal-producing nation, its mines are now closed, and it's got some of the highest unemployment levels in the UK. Because of that, the older generation is reserved when it comes to independence, but young people are filled with national fervour. For them, independence is less about money and more about nationhood and identity.
Wales needs to be independent because it is a great country, and we don't want to join England because we're really patriotic. I think we're more patriotic than England, definitely.
We have a lot of culture that we shouldn't forget about.
It just seems to be better here at the moment, that you can get free prescriptions, education seems to be a bit better.
Plaid Cymru says it's going to build on that support, providing not just emotional reasons why Wales should be independent, but concrete economic reasons too. And it says Wales does have resources, particularly land and sea, for green energy. If the Scots vote for independence, Wales might not be far behind. Laura Emmett, RT, Cardiff.
Well, now it's time.